guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. We're out on a road trip and I just thought of vlogging this small trip of ours. It's a one-nighter. It's the little one's birthday tomorrow. Today is Saturday and we've just left. It's 9 a.m. and we are going to Lonavala. We're going to this place called Hilton Shillim, which is somewhere around Lonavala. So I'm actually going to show you guys the property. It's the first time we are going there. So yes, come along with us. And I think it's about a 3.5-4 hour drive from Bombay. The chaos at the McDonald's, guys, huh? We've stopped at McDonald's for some coffee. It's about gonna be 11. We are very late, and it's very hot and humid. Still, I think 2 more hours to go. Yeah, that was a long, long tunnel. We've reached a dead end. There's a river after this and we are stuck. There were 2 roads that were closed and yeah. I cannot believe where we are. Can you see? This doesn't even look like India to me. Where am I? Check this out. So beautiful. Guys, check this out.
Look at it, beautiful. You want to wear?
We stopped at this spot which is so beautiful. Like literally, can you see? We're at some hilltop and this is the beautiful view. I don't think the video can do justice to where we are. This was worth the stop. Check this out. Sir, careful. So that is, we are staying at this Hilton Shillim, guys. Look at the view. Let's go inside. Let's see. I've heard a lot about this property, guys. I've always, this was part of my checklist. Say, come here. Of properties to try. Just check this out where we are at and the beautiful view. Let's go. Oh, wow. Let's go. How beautiful, guys. How peaceful is this place? There's a squirrel. Look at this tree. That's the reception, guys. And such a cute place. The little one is certainly exploring. We've taken the forest villa. Let's see how it is. Yeah. Thank you.
10:15 is the last order we take. We eat any of the options.
Okay.
Post 10:30, not even in villa dining is available.
We're going to the Italian restaurant called the Mountain Bar before we check into our rooms because it's a long drive. We're going in this Tartanano. It's a 320-acre property, guys. This is a huge property. I seriously feeling like one night is not going to be enough. Look at the nice nature walk, Seher. Where are we walking? Wow, this is the Italian place, guys. Looks amazing. Beautiful. Just what I needed. This is their pool, guys. Stunning. It's like an infinity pool. So I see the pool.
It's not a baby pool.
It has a baby pool also. This is the restaurant, guys. How stunning is this restaurant? Look at this little one is loving it. I love the feel of this place. It's calm and it's beautiful and it's huge. Such a nice welcome change of the property. No, I'm not coming there. You come here, be careful. The pool looks refreshing. You're definitely getting in the pool because it's sunny. That's the Italian menu, guys. And these two are at it. Delicious.
Okay.
Foo.
Take a small bite and do a fufu.
Oh, there's music here. So that's the pool. How lovely. Oh, that's the kids' pool. This is the beautiful pool. I-24. That's oh, wow. What is this? Whose room is this? Oh, that's the outdoor sitting. So I see the 3 apples waiting for you. This is the forest view. Oh, wow. Happy birthday, sir. How lovely. So that's the room, guys. Before we make a mess out of it, I just want to show you guys. This is the TV. This is the amazing decoration that they've done. This room is, I mean, you know a property is good when the room is very relaxing. So finally changed up. I'm at my balcony. This is the amazing sit out area with the table, little one's shoes, and the bed where we told her that she'll be sleeping here. The room is really nice, really comfortable, and I love that we are literally in the middle of the jungle. This is like the forest. So very refreshing. I'm in the middle of nature and it's lovely. And she's reading a book about India. Pool time! So heading to the pool, it's 4:30 p.m. So we thought there's no sun actually. Pool time! Lovely! And this is the beautiful infinity view of this pool, guys. It's stunning. There's the little one. Very cloudy right now, but the pool is fun. This is my view. So it's pizza time. We've come back from the pool, done tub time, and I love the property, guys. So far everything is stunning. We are nice and relaxed after the pool time. It's a really nice weather here. It was hot in the afternoon, but now it's like the perfect. I think apparently monsoons are the best time to come to this place because it's just lush, green, beautiful. The hills are that side and it's just really beautiful. So yes. Drawing time. How to keep a child busy? Yes. I always carry files, papers, pencils for her to make some drawing. So we've come to this restaurant called Tarazu. For dinner. There are basically 4 restaurants in this property. One is a cafeteria, one is an Italian, one is a green organic place, and one is this multi-cuisine. This is like a bar where you can chill. It's lovely. Gosh, this is lovely. Seher, please be careful. Look at the view, guys. Guys, there's something about this place. It's so nice. Check out the moon, the sky and the hills. Okay. So let's go for dinner. Good morning from the middle of the jungle. What can you hear? Good morning, guys. So we're headed for breakfast. It's 9:30 and this is the birthday girl. She's in the paper cap. And yes, it's breakfast time first and then we'll see what you do. The drive itself to the breakfast place and stuff is so pretty, guys. We're in the middle of the jungle, so it's really nice. Hey, butterflies. So we've come for breakfast at the same place where we had dinner. What is this? Pongal. It's a rice thing. I want to eat this. It's too with idiyappam.
No.
Oh, this is something else. Sambar in Italy. Those are the juices, fruits. It's a good spread. So that's my breakfast. Welcome to having an idli for the girl. The breakfast spread is actually very good, very fresh. Okay, have your juice. Some fruits, poha. This is some idiyappam and stew. I love stew. And I ordered an uttapam. That's breakfast and that's my break. Okay, I'm full because uttapam looks so tempting. Pancakes with the birthday girl. So guys, we're going for this trail walk, which is basically walking on along the stream. We actually walk inside the river. It's pretty interesting. Let's see. Come.
Give this to me, I'll hold it.
Yeah, lovely. Oh, you picked up some pebbles. Come, sir, quickly.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, you're wearing Crocs.
Lovely, sir. See.
See the jungle. There's crab inside the water.
Come.
Let's see this one also.
Sir, see.
Crabs live here.
तो स्ट्रीम में जाते समय थोड़ा सेफ्टी में रखना. सेफ्टी मतलब जैसे काटे उसको हाथ नहीं लगाना. तो पानी में चलते समय आपको बेबी स्टेप डाल के जाना.
Oh, wow.
It's okay.
Guys, this is insane. Look at this waterfall. And we're right here. And we're all wet. And this is the amazing flow of water and it's so cold. Let me just show them. So basically you have to enjoy and sit in this water. And it's bloody cold, okay? And we've just been walking up all the way from there.
Are you checking it there, no?
Oh my god, guys. We have walked all the way from there till here, inside water, all wet. And my boots are all wet. And water gets filled up, so you have to take out the water like this from your boots. But this is quite an adventure because I've never done such adventures in my life. But it's fun to walk. So you're supposed to take baby steps inside this so that you don't slip because the rocks are very slippery. So you try and step in the sand more, and so much fun. Oh, what an adventure. That's a natural slide. You can slide down from it. Careful, careful. Guys, this is the terrain. It's quite risky. But it's fun. Such fresh water, guys. Oh my god, lovely experience. This is stunning. So lovely. Still walking in the water. It's ice cold water, guys. And it's bloody slippery. You have to be very careful of where you set your foot in. Okay. This is all the way what we've come from. Lovely waterfall, guys. So we went inside this waterfall. You can meditate, you can sit and get a back massage with this water, ice cold water, and it's amazing. We are going back, guys. This was the most beautiful experience ever. Lovely. I'm all drenched. Going back, guys. The trail is again so lovely and interesting. We are in nature and it is just so divine. And we have reached back, guys, but this has been such a beautiful experience. I will not forget this. Connecting with nature, I've never done any of this before, so it's stunning. Literally just soaking in this beautiful view before we go. I had such a good time, such a good morning. Lovely. So guys, this is the place where we started the trek. This is where the yoga also happened. Yogshala. Say careful. Such a beautiful, calm, peaceful place to meditate and exercise. So this is the Yogshala. Oh, this is another place. Hey guys, so we are done with the whole trek. Got back to the room, chilled for a bit, and now we are going to the pool. We've ordered, obviously don't feel like leaving the property. One night is definitely not enough. Headed to the pool now. The little one is already inside the pool. I'm just joining them. And yeah, we will check out late. Instead of 12, it's already 1:30 actually. So we will check out around 4 p.m. Back to the mountain bar, which is the Italian restaurant. And the hills are just gorgeous. This is the stunning pool, guys. Look at this, it's huge. And it's really nice. Overlooking the beautiful hills. Been about 2 hours still in the pool. It's raining like anything, but it's amazing, guys. I don't want to say goodbye today because it's one of the most beautiful experiences. Look at this pool, guys. It is lovely. And we're gonna head for lunch. We are famished. But everyone had a really good time. I'm guarding the sunglasses. Checking out, guys. The heart is not full. Honestly, we could have stayed. Like, one night is not enough. This is such a beautiful property. But yes, we're finally going home. It's actually raining, so the weather is beautiful. It's stunning. Check this.